One question students frequently ask me is, what should they carry in a shelter kit? Great question. I'm going to show you what I carry in my shelter kit, and then you're going to need to play with the ingredients to make sure they actually work for you. The first thing that every good shelter kit is going to need is a tarp. Now there is a wide variety of tarps out there. This happens to be a 6x8, kind of one of those blue crinkly tarps that you can pick up anywhere for under $10. For most people, this is a great choice. Now if you're really weight conscious and you want something bigger like an 8x10 for example, you might want to consider getting a silnylon tarp. Now a silnylon tarp is going to be a lot more expensive, somewhere between $60 and $80 probably. And you're going to have to order it from a specialty store typically. These are widely available, going to be a little bit heavier, so you're going to be kind of weighing that cost versus weight. The second thing you're going to need to put in your shelter kit is Paracord. Now I've got my Paracord on a carabiner. I like it this way because it keeps it very neat. I like it very neat. I like it very organized. I'm going to suggest that you consider one thing that I do is different colors. These green and blue and whites, I know by the color, are 10 feet long. This blue one is 25 feet long. This is my ridgeline, and these are tie-outs. Now I'm going to show you something I've done on my ridgeline piece here, and that's tie a figure 8 with a bite on it, so I have a loop. This is how I will start all of my ridge lines, with the loop and bringing the rest of the cord through that loop. So again, find yourself some cordage so that you can make a ridge line and you can tie your shelter up. The next thing I carry in my shelter kit are toggles. These are simply small wooden sticks that I found, and I've cut them to the exact size that I want them. So I carry them. I know some people might say, well, I can find them out in the environment, and yes, you probably can, but I like to have them right at my fingertips when I'm ready to build a shelter. The last thing I carry in my shelter kit are stakes, and I carry metal stakes. For a long time I carried plastic stakes, but what I found with the plastic stakes were that they broke, and they broke fairly regularly. And I saved a lot of weight by carrying plastic stakes. Unfortunately, I sacrificed functionality and reliability. So that's why I've just decided, you know what, 5 metal stakes and I'm good to go.